Hi, my name's Andres Guardiola. I'm a Flagler alumni. I'm originally from Miami, Florida, and lived in St. Augustine for about 12 years. I'm the owner of Crave here in town. We are a healthy lunch place serving wraps, salads, smoothies, and bowls. We're gonna basically be showing you guys today how to make my go-to when I lived in the Flagler dorms, our over-the-top oatmeal bowl. Super nutrient dense, protein packed, can be very versatile on any meal of the day. Super easy to make, really easy to consume. We're really excited to show you guys how we do it.